Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DMPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price movement perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day, so a lot of eyeballs on it. And this one, I'm not going to call it a pump and dump, but it's pretty close to a pump and dump. And the reason I'm not going to go as far as calling this a pump and dump is because technically speaking, the price does still have an opportunity to make some progress. And that is why this level right here at $1.40 is very important. And why is this important? Well, let's kind of first look at the scenario where this definitely would be considered a pump and dump. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if, not only necessarily Thursday, but even Friday or early next week, the price eventually, drifts below here and then just continues on down. At that point in time, from a very literal perspective, what would you have? You would literally have the price right back inside of this range where it was before the big old move that happened here occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Or in this case, that would literally be just a full-blown pump and dump where you had a price make a very impressive move, and then within the time span of just a couple of days, go right back to where it started. Like I said, if that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. Again, but to be fair, I'm not saying that's the case because, in all actuality, from the big picture point of view, and like I said, to be fair to the bulls, the price could come down here, bounce around this $1.40 mark a few more times, and then start to work its way back upwards. And in that situation, what you would have is a set of lows right there, and you'd have these lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, I am making these comments from the bigger picture point of view because I get it. If you're some sort of day trader or flipper or scalper and you bought up around there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about $1.40 or these stair steps. So again, these comments are definitely geared more towards the big picture point of view. So again, is it a pump and dump? No, you can't quite call it a full-blown pump and dump right now. Is it very near being a pump and dump status? Yes. So we'll see if the price can hold up above $1.40 or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.